and I'm here with Fireburns Epic. And as you see, we have this monitor that we found in a building, and when we turn it on, it actually works. So we're gonna be doing a drop test, and yeah, we'll see you when we're ready. Okay, guys. So Fireburns Epic is gonna drop a monitor, and yeah, we don't know how much feet he's gonna do it from, but he's gonna do it from
waist height.
From waist height
And head height.
and head height. But I'll do the head height because it's so tall.
3,
Okay,
2.
3, 2, 1. Oh! Oh! Yo! I think it broke. We're gonna test it. We're gonna power it on.
Look, it has scratches here.
I'm
So
focusing.
We're actually telling
We're
that
gonna
this thing is made out of pure plastic.
So we're gonna test it again because that could have put shock through the power, and we'll be right back.
Okay, Demon King is
Currently plugging this in.
to see if it still works. It should be working because it just landed into the stand.
Yo, the power button's not going in. I think we might have shocked or shook it. Nope.
No.
Yo. Okay, making sure that the power is in tightly. We're gonna plug it into our nice power outlet. And yeah, so we're gonna test it on. Okay.
Okay, let's see the display. It's something.
Oh, damn.
That is a
Nice, good.
shield over there. That's plastic.
All right,
Plastic.
we're gonna head on to the next drop test. Okay, guys. So Fireburn, he's gonna do the sideways from waist height. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Whoa!
Oh, okay. So that's.
Holy! Yo! Look at that.
Yo.
I think that's a scuff from.
That's a scuff. Okay, there's a
You can't even
little scuff over there.
Is that the side you dropped it?
Yep. There's a big dent.
Yo, I think that one of these USB. Where?
There's a big dent over there.
Yo, where?
Here.
There?
Yep.
There's a big dent.
There's a little dent. It's not that noticeable.
No, I'm trying to focus it. Your camera's
It
not
has a lock.
right. Hold on.
No, that's good. That's good.
Right there. That's scuffed. So yeah, we're gonna touch this again. We'll come back when the power is in.
Okay, he's gonna put the power cord back in.
Like this, I'm gonna actually.
I think this is actually gonna break. I think half of it. I don't see any physical damage, but I see some like separation from the bezel and the display over here.
And even though that this may be broken, we're gonna smash it till when we try and click it on, it won't turn on. So power cord's back in.
It's.
Oh wait, it turned on.
It's alive.
Hold on, I just turned it off. Let me turn it back on. It looks alive.
It's still alive actually.
This display. Hold on, keep it cutting. I don't think we can like actually break the display from doing a front flip because front drop because look, this has like a little barrier.
It's a bezel.
This has like a thing, but then even though this can be hit, it might send a big shock to the screen. So now we're gonna do a what? Face down? Yeah. We're gonna do a face down.
Okay.
Pause it. Okay, guys. Now Fireburn is gonna do a face down, and make sure it's straight, like on your. Okay. Okay.
So I'm gonna try.
Okay. Guys, 3. Okay, wait. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Yo! I think that broke. Yo, let's get it down. Oh!
There's scuffs.
Yo!
There's more scuffs around it. There's scuffs.
Yo! Hold on. Show the camera.
There's so many scuffs.
Right there. There's like, it's like all scratched. And guys, by the way, if you're wondering what we're dropping it on, we're dropping it on hard cement. Now we're gonna plug it back in. Let's go.
I think.
And guys, also when we do the ludicrous, we're gonna try and break it by whipping it with this what is this called? Like this connector cord?
Yeah, connect. DVI.
DVI, but Fireburn, he's gonna plug it in and we'll get back to you when it's plugged in. Okay guys, I'm actually holding the camera. Fireburn, he plugged it in, so I'm gonna hold the camera for this time. He's gonna press the power button. 3, 2, 1, go.
It's still alive.
Wait, check video cable.
It's still alive. Since all these scuffs are around
Okay,
it.
so yeah, okay, let him talk.
And still the bezel and look at the top. Same thing. Look at that. The frame.
Hold on, let me see. And guys, by the way, this is HP monitor, not sponsored, by the way.
Look. The frame and the border is separating. Look, this thing is shifting. So I think.
You think what?
This thing is gonna
explode or like break?
No, this is gonna separate.
Okay, guys, we're gonna do the head height drop, but I'm gonna do it on face down because I'm a lot stronger than Fireburn. So we'll be right back. No, pause it. Okay, guys, I'm gonna drop it.
No, backside first. Backside's first.
From head?
Head back.
You guys, I'm not gonna be able to do this. It's so heavy.
Oh, you just roasted it.
So we're gonna do head height. This might actually break.
3, 2, 1.
Yo, keep it recording. Yo, I think I just broke it.
I think this thing has got shifted.
Yo,
Oh!
and we broke it.
Yo.
Yo, this is not supposed to bend. Oh.
Did something?
Yo, look. We broke it open, but we're trying to find out where that piece came from. I think it came from back here. Don't tell me. Where the frick did that piece come from? What does that look like? Okay, that could come from
Some component.
This is not supposed to bend all the way. Give me the piece. Does this match? Yo, look, try and show the camera. I think that matches. Yo, I think that matches. Yo,
You don't need to fix it, actually.
yo, that matches. Okay, pause it.
Okay, Demon King 285 is going to
Test the power again.
because we see a big separation among the borders. We're trying to do it like all the way. So
Don't power it on, please.
if it doesn't power on and it's dead, I swear we put it landed flat on it.
And then we're going to go and do ludicrous. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Yep, it's still working, guys.
Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna do the side drop from my head. Oh. You guys, before this power button here was able to click a little, but now I think we move the camera. I don't want to hit it. Just move it. I think we made this power button in it, so it's not gonna be able to click. This button that says plus and says source is like also pushed in a little, so I think that came with the damage. Other than that, this is scratched. Okay, pause.
Okay, Demon King is going to do a
Do
side.
a side drop, and I think from my head height, as long as I can do it, I think this might actually break because this part is getting loose. But here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Yo! Keep it recording. Yo, guys, we broke it! We broke the screen!
Yo!
No.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yo!
Guys, if you guys wanted to know what's inside this computer, that's the screen. We're gonna go test it because I think this is the end.
This display is gonna
Go. Yo, look, the power button, the cable's ripped off. There's no way to power this on.
Yo!
Oh, guys, I think we just broke it.
Yeah, no. There's some.
Okay, guys.
No, it probably just shifted.
No.
It probably just shifted the power button inside.
And I think some cord.
And we're not fixing anything. We're gonna keep it there.
No. We're gonna Is it recording?
Yep.
Pause it. Okay, we're gonna try and put this back on so we can do the drop test for you guys. I'm like try and power it on because we believe this friggin' thing broke. Because look, there's a cable that connects.
Yep, I think this is dead.
Or hold on, let me fix it.
Yo, look. The bezel is warped already. So I think this is already the end of the monitor.
I need to try and fix it. Move it. I'm gonna try and fix it.
Probably got sacked.
Guys, I think this might have been fit. No. Yo, come.
Yeah, we just cracked it, so it's probably not gonna fit all the way in.
It's never gonna turn back on, you guys.
Look, there's another damage. Look. There's also a big, huge dent over here.
I'm trying to put this on as much as I can and try.
Guys, we're trying to see. We're not trying to do this for fun. It's for, like, we're trying to see how many years or months or days this thing can last. So this is probably, like, after, like, 6 years. This is gonna be still alright.
And guys, we are not gonna stop till we break this computer open. Okay, let's try. Yo, it's broken. Yo, hold on. Oh fuck. Move, I'm gonna try and... I can't believe we just smashed...
I think it's dead.
Yo guys, it connected.
Yeah, I connected.
But it's hard to take off, so...
Look, guys, hold on.
Again? Okay, this time face down.
With the bezel on it, because we're just probably trying to fix it to
We're
see.
gonna try and take it off.
Look, if you really want...
There's somebody coming. Pause. Face down.
Okay.
Tell me when you're recording. Okay, guys, so this is kind of really heavy, but we're gonna drop it from the head height, face down on the plastic screen. So you're gonna hold on.
This is gonna make a lot of noise. So please, if you're wearing headphones,
lower your volume.
yeah.
Can count.
Hold on, wait.
You recording? Okay,
Oh.
do your headphone on mode.
Guys, this thing worked.
Oh shit, there's glass.
Yeah, they're good.
See, Chris, that's what. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Don't. Okay, guys, we're gonna do the face down from head height, and yeah, we've done 5 drops. 3 of them were on the waist height. There's people. Stop. Okay, guys, sorry. As I said, there's people, and we don't want to put people in this video. But as I said, we've done 3 consecutive drops. 3 from waist, the face down, the side, and the on here. And then we did 2 on the head height, which was the back side, and then the side. But the breaking point for this monitor was the head height. The head height side drop. That's where everything went completely wrong, and it all broke. So now we're gonna do the head height face down. This actually might crack in pieces. I'm not sure, but it probably will, because most of this is unstable.
And make sure that the thing's up.
I know how to do it. Yo, there's somebody there. You pause. Okay, tell me when you're recording.
Record.
Guys, we had to move to show them our original spot.
Yeah.
Over there was our original spot, but because so much people kept coming, we couldn't keep the video recording. So we moved spots, so nobody will be here because you see our background. So we're gonna do the 10. Well, I mean the head height face drop test, I'm gonna make sure that this thing is out of the way so it will hit the screen, the plastic screen. And as you can see, I put the thing back on. Okay, count.
3, 2, 1.
Yo, keep recording, Guys, we're not gonna keep like battery powering the testing.
Yo, what happened?
Yo, show them this. There's a lot of scuffs. This is kind of getting loose here.
Okay, now let's do it without the frame. We don't need the frame right now.
Yeah, because at the end, show them this. There's like, when we did it on like that, the side, this part, you're not showing them. This part cracked a lot. And sorry if this is such a long video. It's because this might be 20 minutes long.
Okay.
So, we're going to do the side drop from...
No, front.
Count.
3, 2, 1.
Oh.
That made a huge echo.
And it was done. Oh, you ended it?
No, I didn't. It's just a notification.
Oh, yo, guys, look. This is...
Yo, that is some deep scratch. Yo.
That's a
look,
crack.
That's a crack.
Yo, you can push it.
It's shattered. No, that's the LCD. The LCD shattered.
Oh, so this can't even turn on. Okay, guys, we're gonna do it from standing on a bench.
Yep.
Okay, guys, switch of plans. Fiber and Evan, he's gonna drop the thing from side, back, and front face.
This is not 10 feet. This is like 5 feet. Oh yeah, it's 5 feet.
And this is taller than us, so raise it a little bit.
No, we're doing this.
Okay,
First.
3, 2, 1. Yo, guys, hold on. Guys, look at this. This was from me. You can literally push this down and it sounds quite cracked.
Let's see the back.
Okay, put it down on the screen lightly so we don't break it. So as
not bad. It's actually like this thing.
Sorry, I'm covering the camera. It's 17 minutes long.
This is just jutting out.
Should we make a part 2?
No, because you could do longer than 10 minutes.
But then it's gonna be boring.
No, you're not making part 2s. Look.
Yo, guys. Oh fuck. Let's shoot. Sorry, guys. This could be put back in. It's like. Then there you go. So this is scuffed.
I'd rather have scuffs than cracks on my display.
Okay, let's do the side drop.
I think this. I need to.
Okay, guys. He's gonna be doing the side drop. From the bench. Here we go. There's a dog, so we don't know if this is gonna like attract attention. 3, 2, 3.
Pause.